Howdy there, guys. This is Old Main Productions, and it's a lovely Thanksgiving morning. We have ourselves coming through here a loaded coal train, C786, right over the bridge here at Gillis Falls. Has some pretty special power, so hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy. Wasn't expecting to go out today, but had a little bit of time before going out to see family, and I figured this would be special enough for us all to enjoy it today. But make sure to enjoy this Thanksgiving holiday. Here's to family, friends, safe travels. Today's a good day. We have way over there, crossings are going off, if I can find them in the frame. There they are. facing elephant style. Bring up the end. There they go. As I said, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Safe travels if you are traveling today. Hopefully everyone gets to spend time with family, friends, loved ones, and take today to think about what you're thankful for that's happened in the past years and what is going to happen in the future. Have a wonderful day, wonderful Thanksgiving. This is Old Main Productions signing off and thanking you guys for your viewership. Adios.